All right, if the Y screen was good and clean and not really anything caught in there, the next thing we'll want to look at is our transfer pump. So with this pump, we want to make sure we're getting a good amount of air fed to it. We want to make sure we have 100 PSI. And then the thing we're going to be checking is actually the check ball in this pump. And to do that, we're going to be removing it from this pump. I'll bring it over to the bench, and I'll go through that and show you what we're looking for. Now that we have our transfer pump removed from our drum, we're going to want to check our check ball to make sure there's no obstruction. So what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew it. I already have it broken loose to make it a little easier for me. And I'm going to get that loose here. And then what I'm looking for is if there's any debris or any blockage that doesn't allow this check ball to move freely. So once I have that unthreaded, I'm going to make sure that check ball can move up and down in its seat and there's no buildup on it. And if there is obstruction, clean it out. You can use acetone, a cleaning pick, and all that to get it nice and clean. Then once it's clean, you can reinstall it back in the pump. And then we'll just thread that back in just like we took it off. And then we'll use the wrench to make sure that it's good and tight. And then now that we have that, and now that that's done, we can reinstall it into our drum.